What is going on, everyone? Leon checking in, and here we are once again with the Samsung Galaxy Book4 Edge. This has been a phenomenal device. I'm thoroughly enjoying it, but now I want to install some protection on it just to keep it in tip-top shape and give it an upgrade in the coolness factor department. So here we have a kit by Armorsuit. This is the carbon fiber shield as it's advertised, and we're going to apply it. It looks like it's a full kit, so we're going to have overall coverage, I'm assuming, but we're going to dig more into it and give more details. And then we'll give our final thoughts on this. I'm going to showcase it so you can get an idea of what it looks like. And then you'll have thoughts of if you want to apply this to your Galaxy Book4 Edge as well. So all things said, let's go ahead and get into it. Before we progress any further, I wanted to talk about some items you may want to have on the side while you're applying this whole kit. So first would be glass cleaner and a microfiber cloth. That's going to be good for cleaning off any grease or sweat or any dust, anything like that. And then I would say a battery powered air duster, which is what I have here. This is great for cleaning off lint, debris, hairs, anything like that. Those are both, I would say, mandatory for applying a kit like this, but they also work great for applying other items such as display protectors. So those are both great to have in your arsenal. Now, before we talk about the contents here, I want to talk about how they ship to give you peace of mind here. So we've got the Armorsuit box here, and all the film ships inside of this here. That's going to protect the film. But this box is then stuffed into this pretty thick cylinder here, and I'm going to place it in there. And that protects the film and the box. And that, as you can imagine, does a very good job. And then this is shipped in an envelope. It's like a stretchy plastic envelope that is easy to tear open to get to these contents. But if you're worried about shipping, they do a really good job here. So let's talk about what comes in the kit here. So we're going to have an installation guide. It looks like we're going to have a QR code there, normally to watch an installation video, which is indicated here. Then we're going to have more information about installation instructions right here. And then it looks like we're going to have a squeegee and a little cloth just to clean things up while we're working our way through the process. And then, of course, we're going to have our films. Now, I did order a kit by Armorsuit before for the Lenovo Legion Pro 7i Gen 9, and in that video I ordered the wrong kit. That was actually for the Legion 7i Gen 9, not the Legion Pro 7i Gen 9. But I did order the correct kit, I believe, for the Legion Pro 7i Gen 9, so I'll be doing a video about that as well. But why I'm mentioning that is in that video, I noticed that they normally ship 2 kits in a box, and I'm thinking that's the case here, which is really cool because for 2 reasons. One, if you mess up application, you have a backup, but the goal is to get this right the first time so that you don't have to use the backup. 2, if you do use your laptop pretty hardcore, it may see more than normal wear, and these pieces may wear out over time, and then you can redo the kit. I thought that was really cool. But let me just verify here, and I'm going to get some things out of the way first. So yes, we're going to verify that we get 2 kits here. So it looks like we have what looks like 2 bottoms. Then we're going to have what looks like the lid. And interesting note, by the way, 2 lids. Interesting note, it looks like we're going to have cutout here for the Samsung logo. That's kind of cool. Then we're going to have the trackpad area and then another portion here. So it looks like we're going to have 2 trackpad areas. And that looks like about it. So we've got this all squared away here, and I'm going to set that to the side. And this is very exciting. I am so excited to give this a try. I'm so excited to protect the Galaxy Book4 Edge. But I am just a big fan of carbon fiber, or faux carbon fiber anyways. Just gives our device that nice high performance look. And then I've got gamer stickers I'll apply on afterwards. Probably not here in the video, but just to upgrade the look, but also keep this nice finish protected. I know if I leave this naked any longer, I'm gonna find a way to accidentally scratch this. So we don't wanna do that. But I'm going to take our air duster here after I do a quick wipe with the glass cleaner. And we're just going to make sure that I don't have any debris on here. And then I'm going to start with the lid here first. But I'm going to actually turn the Galaxy Book4 Edge around. I think that'll help me apply it a little bit easier. And I'm just going to make sure that the cutout for the logo matches here. And then I'm going to peel this off here. And we're going to set this portion to the side. Okay, so the moment of truth, I'm going to try to apply here. But this is already looking really good. It's looking really good here. You know, we've got mostly everything out. We've got really nice fitment as well. And the lid, there's the lid. It's looking pretty phenomenal. I don't see any air bubbles in there right now. But again, I will take a look at it a little later after the video just to make sure I nailed everything here. So I think the next challenge will be the underside here. So that lid, that was pretty tough to do. And I think the underside's going to be tough as well. Now what I will say about the underside is it has thinner areas, so we want to be really careful here not to rip them. That's going to be the biggest challenge here. That's looking very good. And then we're going to have the keyboard area. So again, I'm going to return to this after the video just to make sure I have very good application here, but that's looking really good. So we're going to flip over here, going to open the inside, and surprisingly, even though the Galaxy Book4 Edge is very light, you can open the lid without having to hold down the bottom. That's just an interesting thing I noticed here. So here we are with the end result, and this is looking really good, nice and clean keyboard area. Then we've got the lid area, that's looking really clean. And then we're going to have the underside. Let's just press on the bottom here, make sure that all the edges are looking good. This is looking really good though. Of course, the sides are going to be a little naked, but this looks great. I really like it, and I especially love the keyboard area. Wow, that looks truly phenomenal. So that is it for today's content. As always, thanks for watching, and may the universe flow in your favor. And until next time, Leon checking out.